Hi! In front of me is NOKIA T10, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. First of all, open Messages app and select one of your chats. Then click on this little plus at the bottom left corner of chat window. And to add an audio file, click on Files section. Now you can select it from here right away and hold it. Click on one of those apps. Click on those three lines at the top left corner to choose one of those sources, or simply click on Audio Filter at the top. Wherever you decided after locating your file, hold it and choose Select at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my audio file was successfully added. In order to add a video one, click on Gallery, tap on your video right away over here, and select one of those options, Google Photos link or video. Then select Add at the top right corner. You can also, instead of selecting it from here, click on Gallery, click on it here, tap on one of those options, and this time select just once or always. Then hit Add at the top right corner. The third way to do it is clicking on Gallery, selecting Folders, and looking for your video the same way as an audio file. Finally, you get to hold it and hit Select at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!